If your phone needs a ring holder kickstand and you love a little bling, then this glitter MagSafe ring grip stand we were sent to review from Aredan is for you. Let's take a closer look. If you have a MagSafe case right out of the box, just stick it on, ready to go. This is gonna go in and out. You can use it as a ring grip to have a better hold of your phone. You can use it to be hands-free and hold some coffee or drinks or whatever. You can use it as a kickstand. You can spin the ring around to get the right angle while it's on your phone, or you can just pull it off and then stick it at exactly the right angle to be a kickstand if you want it horizontal or vertical. It's freaking gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. It does add a little bit of bulk, but it's lightweight and it's still gonna fit in your pocket. But again, you can just pull it off when you don't need it. If you have an old phone or a non-MagSafe case, no worries. It comes with 2 self-adhesive magnet rings. So you're just gonna clean your case or your phone with the wipes it gives you. Choose white or black, depending on which color you like. Peel off the back, stick it to your phone or your case, and boom, it's magnetic. Love that. It comes with these. You can adjust this at pretty much any angle, from completely flat this way to completely flat inside. This is about as vertical as you can get it, and then horizontally you can get it nearly vertical, and then can go like really low profile too. So sparkly. Oh, I love it. I love this thing. It is a super strong magnet. Really strong. Like, your phone's not gonna fall off of that. Like, just really awesome, and it's so cute. I love it, and I know you will too.